Want to change your language settings on Twitter? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to do so. Let's get started. First, open X. Tap on your profile picture at the top left. Tap on Settings and Support at the bottom. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Accessibility, Display and Language. Here, tap on Languages. Tap on Preferred Language. Tap on Update Language. Now you can search for languages here. Then, tap on the language that you prefer. Tap on Next at the bottom right. And that is how to change language on X. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.